Hello and welcome to this webinar. For some of you, this will be some repetition from yesterday, but there might also be some new people joining here who wasn't there yesterday, so also repeating the information. First of all, if you have any questions during the presentations or after presentations, just write it in the chat. If you have a question for a specific presenter, just write to that specific person and we will sort it out. We'll also gather all the questions that you ask in the chat and we'll take them at the end of the webinar, not directly. As you've noticed, we are recording this, so all the presentations will be recorded, but not the talk at the end. And you will also get a link to the recorded webinar sent to you afterwards to the email that you used for signing up. And we will also conduct a couple of polls during the webinar. If you were here yesterday, it will be the same polls. Just short questions about if you're studying at which university and such. So you should sign whatever option is available for you when the polls pop up. Right, let's go through the agenda for today. So first off, I'm going to give you a short presentation about what the Geosection is, who we are, what we do. Then we're going to have the talks. We're going to first start with Måns, and then we'll go through Linnea, then Helfrid, and then finally Tobias. And at the end, we'll have the panel discussion and answering the questions that you have written down in the chat. We don't know exactly which time each of these people will start talking because it's a bit flexible. But we aim to end at around 5 p.m. So who are the Geosektionen? Well, we are part of the trade union Naturvetarna. I guess we're a professional association. So we are here for all the geoscientists and all the people who are working within the field of geoscience. So it's both people working with actual science at university, but also maybe people working with mining or industry. And we aim to strengthen our profession as a whole and also increase the awareness of society when it comes to geological sciences or geosciences. And we also try to get a better bond between students, the universities, and companies, and also other organizations that are connected to life that comes after university. We also aim to have more applied geoscience in our education, so it's not just theoretical, because that gives you a better basis for working outside of the strict theoretical geosciences, and also to raise awareness, I guess, of geoscientific knowledge and data, and also try to get geoscience as a subject in schools before university, because in the end it's the science of the earth as a whole, so it's critical that people understand how it works. And we do have a lot of activities and such going on, so you can find us both LinkedIn and Facebook. With that said, let's jump into the first presentation. So that is Måns. So Måns, you can share the screen whenever you're ready.